Peace, love, and prosperity, family. Let's ask AI. I had just got this chat GPT, and I wanted to ask AI who was the first inhabitants of planet Earth. Let's see what they say.
Certainly. Here's a more detailed answer. The Earth is estimated to be around 4.5 billion years old. During its early history, the planet was a hostile and uninhabitable environment, with extreme temperatures, volcanic activity, and a toxic atmosphere. However, as conditions began to stabilize, the first forms of life emerged. The first inhabitants of Earth were simple, single-celled organisms that appeared around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago. These early life forms were likely bacteria-like organisms, such as prokaryotes. They inhabited the planet's oceans and were capable of surviving in a variety of environments, including extreme conditions like hydrothermal vents. For billions of years, these microorganisms dominated the Earth and played a crucial role in shaping its environment. Through various biological processes, they released oxygen into the atmosphere, gradually transforming it into a more hospitable place for life. This process, known as oxygenation, paved the way for the evolution of more complex organisms. Around 2 billion years ago, more advanced single-celled organisms called eukaryotes emerged. Eukaryotes have a more complex cellular structure compared to prokaryotes and include organisms such as algae and protozoa. They were capable of carrying out more specialized functions and exhibited greater diversity. Over time, multicellular organisms began to appear. Fossil records indicate that the first multicellular organisms, such as simple algae and sponges, emerged around 600 million years ago during a period known as the Ediacaran period. During the Cambrian explosion, which occurred about 541 million years ago, there was a rapid diversification of life forms. Complex organisms with hard shells, such as trilobites, brachiopods, and early arthropods, emerged during this period. The first vertebrates, which are animals with a backbone, appeared during the Ordovician period, around 485 million years ago. These early vertebrates were jawless fishes and laid the foundation for the subsequent evolution of fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fast forward to around 7 million years ago, and the lineage leading to modern humans, Homo sapiens, diverged from other primate species. Our ancestors, early hominins, began to walk upright and use tools, gradually evolving into more sophisticated beings. Finally, Homo sapiens emerged as a distinct species around 300,000 years ago. Over time, our species spread across the globe, adapting to various environments and developing complex societies, languages, and cultures. It's important to note that the evolution of life on Earth is a complex process that spans billions of years. The first inhabitants were simple microorganisms that gradually paved the way for the emergence of more complex life forms, culminating in the existence of modern humans.
I don't like how the AI said our ancestors. That means somebody embedded a bias computer programming. It wasn't supposed to say our ancestors. It was supposed to say your ancestors are human ancestors. Why would it say our ancestors when it's not human? It's not conscious. So why would it say our ancestors? Peace, love, and prosperity, y'all. I just want to show y'all something AI can do. And that was just a book I asked it to write for me. I asked AI to write me a book on who was the first inhabitants on planet Earth. Peace, love, and prosperity, family.